Hello you guys. In today's video, I want to give you a little bit of a close-up on the Van Cleef Sweet Alhambra pendant. This is in the color Mother of Pearl. And then this is in the 14 karat gold as hardware. And I just want to talk a little bit about why I purchased this item and how it really looks like in my experience. So I purchased this last week from the Chicago boutique. I originally wanted the onyx. I wanted the onyx, what is it called? Pendant. But I saw that they only had the larger size in the onyx, which is the black one. And they have a little bit of like the sizes in Van Cleef are a little bit different than any other sizes. So the smaller size are called Sweet Alhambra, and then the larger side are called the Vintage Alhambra. And that black onyx only comes in the vintage, and that was a lot more pricier, and I thought it was a little bit too big for me, and I wanted like a more an in-between side if there was, but there is really not. It's only the Sweet Alhambra, and then the next size up is the other one, which is the vintage. And I just dropped this. Okay, so let's take a look and see how the hardware looks like. So this is what the chain looks like. As you can see from the back, it has 2 adjustable clasps, and they told me that they can add to it if we want to. So in the future, if I want to change the clasp, they can add another one for me. And that's, I think, free of charge for a limited time. So it's not going to be longer time. So how do we take care of these pendants? So we were told that we need to, in order for these to, last you for a very long time and to stay looking amazing, they have to get cleaned every 3 to 4 months if you're wearing them constantly. And this is something that they do free of charge. So just book an appointment with your essay in that boutique, and then they will get that done for you so quickly. It's going to be less than 10-minute process. It's not going to be a lengthy process. So you're not leaving your jewelry and coming back for it. That was one thing. 2, they said that you shouldn't be either not sleeping. You shouldn't be showering in this. So don't get any water on it. And then no swimming in those, because I think the Clorox would really damage the pendant on here. And it's really, they said, like, honestly, it's not super delicate that everybody else says, but you just need to really not do those things. For me, I don't really shower with my jewelry, any of my jewelry, even rings. So that's really not a problem for me, and I'm still gonna use it all the time and wear it all the time, because I'm not gonna be restricted with that. But I don't swim with my jewelry either. So those 2 things I'm good on. I'm not going to be doing in the future. But the other things that came with this, the only thing I noticed is that Cartier gives you an actual pouch for your jewelry. And I don't know why we don't get that with Van Cleef. They only give you this box and then this one to protect it, this little pouch. It's not really a pouch, but this piece right here, like a velvety piece on top of it, just to protect your jewelry. And it comes with a really beautiful booklet on the inside. It talks a little bit about Van Cleef's and like some of the history and care service. So it all comes into this booklet. And then in here we have the certificate. It's the certificate of authentication. So that really does come with this, just like the Cartier. Or they also have a very similar booklet for authentication. So that's really nice and a bonus. But I just wanted to share this with you. The pricing of this one was around, I would say, $1,700, closer to $2,000 with taxes, especially Chicago taxes. But yeah, I spent, so far, I know that those prices are really increasing for Van Cleef, especially like the bracelets. So they're really expensive. But honestly, I don't think I'm interested in anything other than this one, this pendant right here. I really been looking and searching, researching this pendant for a while, and then I tried it on and I really liked it. What I really love the most is that this right here, the chain is so shiny, and I really love that. I love the shine on this. When you're wearing it, it's very, very, very shiny. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it a little bit in here. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a close-up to this beautiful chain from pendant from Van Cleef, and the customer service was amazing in store. But I did have a concern, and I did text them back when we left the store, and I didn't hear back from them. So I don't know, like, that's kind of not so great. But yeah, I know I can go in and get it cleaned anytime I would like. So that's a nice service to have. Yeah, and so far I'm happy with this purchase. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.